Picture updating a live software application entirely by hand. It is a lot like juggling fragile, glowing blocks while completely blindfolded. Eventually, usually on a Friday afternoon, someone drops a block, and you get a massive dust cloud explosion of broken code. There is a highly structured way to avoid this mess. As you can see on this title card, today we are tackling configuring integration automation. Relying on manual deployment means relying on human perfection. A single typo or a misstep during an update can instantly bring down a live application. We need a better system. Welcome to the Foundry by Forge College. In our last session, we mapped out how to build comprehensive testing frameworks. Now, as part of our broader programs on building decentralized applications on the Solana blockchain, our goal is to replace human error with a relentless automated machine. In the industry, they call this a CI/CD pipeline. That intimidating acronym simply describes an unyielding automated code conveyor belt that guarantees perfect consistency every single time. Let's look at how this machinery works. This animated diagram shows our factory conveyor belt. The entire process starts with a trigger. When a developer pushes a new block of code to the repository, it drops right onto the belt, starting the machinery. As the belt moves forward, that code block hits the first checkpoint, the test stage. You can see it passing through a scanning archway. If the code passes our basic functional checks, the archway flashes a soft green light, validating its structural integrity. Next is the validate stage. Here, a robotic arm reaches down and stamps the code with a seal of approval. This step confirms that the tested code produced the exact artifacts required, the final usable software files needed for the next step. Finally, we reach the deploy stage. The fully vetted code block drops into a perfectly sized shipping crate and slides down the delivery chute, ready for the live server. By segmenting the release into these 3 strict sequential stages, you create physical barriers. A broken piece of code simply cannot travel far enough down the belt to ever reach your live deployment. But wait, how does a generalized conveyor belt know exactly how to test or deploy the unique custom-built code of your specific app? We use something called wrappers. Notice the robotic arm in this diagram holding a blueprint. That blueprint represents small helper scripts, like a run tests file, that hold the exact step-by-step instructions for your specific project. By keeping these specific instructions contained entirely within wrapper scripts, we prevent the main pipeline configuration from becoming a tangled, unreadable mess of code. Wrappers isolate the complexity. They guarantee that the exact same test commands a developer runs on their own laptop will run identically on the automated conveyor belt. This brings up a critical security question. How does this automated pipeline log into your live environment without broadcasting your passwords to the entire internet? You might be tempted to hard code your login tokens directly into your repository files. Doing that is the digital equivalent of writing your password on a sticky note and placing it directly on your forehead. It is highly dangerous. The secure alternative is secrets injection. If you look at the diagram here, you'll see a heavy vault sitting right next to the conveyor belt, tethered to the deployment machine by a thick data cable. This vault securely manages your private environment variables. When the deployment machine needs to verify its identity, the vault sends a brief pulse of light down the cable. This provides the necessary digital clearance at the exact millisecond it is needed, allowing the shipment to move forward without ever exposing the credentials to the public. Secrets injection gives your automated system the clearance it needs to deploy code, completely protecting the security of your blockchain-based application. Even with a perfect pipeline, there is one final anxiety. What happens if a deployment passes all the tests, but hits an unexpected glitch the moment it touches the live staging environment? Look closely at this transparent projection of a code block on the belt. This represents a dry run. It is a protective simulation where the pipeline practices packaging and deploying the code without actually altering the live server. If the simulation detects a glitch, the hologram flashes red. A mechanical arm swiftly sweeps it into a recycling bin, immediately resetting the assembly line. This is a rollback, a safety ejector seat that instantly reverts the process to a known safe state. These safety nets drastically limit the blast radius of any failure. Because of dry runs and rollbacks, your integration never gets stuck in a broken, half-deployed state. Let's zoom out. You now have a complete, cohesive system. Code triggers the belt, stages validate the work, Wrappers execute the commands, vaults inject the secrets, and simulations catch the live errors. Connecting these elements turns a stressful, panic-inducing release day into a completely predictable, automated routine. Creating this boringly reliable baseline is actually our ultimate goal. When the deployment process is consistent, you have the exact foundation you need to quickly track down failures or those frustrating tests that fail for no obvious reason. You now have the architectural blueprint to safely update your software. You never have to rely on blind luck or a manual perfection again. To dive deeper into this topic and explore other Web3-related learning experiences, visit our community at forge.college.